Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. Devotees, you can join us for the Suprabhata Seva. Harihi Om. Om. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate. Uttishta Narasardula Kartavyam Deivamanikam. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate. Uttishta Narasardula Kartavyam Deivamanikam. Uttishta Govinda Uttishta Garudadhvaja. Uttishta Kamalakanta Trilokyam Mangalam Kuru. Uttishta Govinda Uttishta Garudadhvaja. Uttishta Kamalakanta Trilokyam Mangalam Kuru. Mahadasamasta Jagatam Madhukaidabhara Aksho Viharini Manohara Divyamurti Sri Swamini Sudajana Priyadana Shile Sri Venkatesa Dayite Tava Suprabhatam Aravinda Lojane Bhavatu Prasanna Mukha Chandra Mandale Vidhishankarendra Vanetaabhirarchite Vrishashailanada Dayite Dayanidhe Atriyadya Saptarashaya Samapasya Sandhya Akasa Sindha Kamalani Manoharani Adaya Padayugamarchayatam Prapannaha Sheshadrishakara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Pancananabhya Bhavashanmukhavasavajyah Traivikramadijaritam vibhudastuvanti Bhashapati patati vasarasuddhimarot Sheshadrishakara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Ishat Prafulla Saraseruhanarikela Bhogadrumadi Sumanohara Balikanam Ahavadi Mandamanila Sahadivya Gandhai Sheshadrishakara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Unmelyanetra Yugamuttama Panjarastha Patra Vasishta Kadale Palapayasani Bhuktva Salila Mathakele Shuka Pathanti Sheshadrishakara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Tantre Prakarsha Madhura Swanaya Vipancha Gayatyananda Jaritanda Vanaradopi Bhasha Samagrama Sagrat Karajaru Ramyam Sheshadrishakara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Brungavalija Magaranda Rasana Vedya Jangara Getan Nadai Sasevanaya Niryatyupanda Sarase Kamalodarebhyaha Sheshadrishakara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Yosha Ganena Varadadri Vimajyamane Ghoshalayeshu Dadhimantanati Vraghosha Roshat Kalim Vidadade Kakubascha Kumbha Sheshadrishakara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Padme Samitra Shatapatra Gadali Varga Hartam Shriyam Govalayasya Nijanga Lakshmiya Biri Ninadam Vibhraditi Vranadam Sheshadrishakara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Shrimanabhishta Varadagila Lokabandho Shri Sindho Shri Devata Griha Bhujantara Divyamurte Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam Shri Swami Pushkaranika Mugyam Agyan Tvadiya Vasatera Nishambadanti Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam सेवापरा शिवसुरेश कृशानुधर्मरक्षो भुनाथपवमानधनाधिनाथाः बद्धाञ्जलिप्रविलसन्निजशेर्षदेशाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् धारेषु देविहगराज मृगाधिराज नागाधिराज गजराज हयाधिराजाः स्वस्वाधिकारमहिमाधिगमर्धयन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् सूर्येन्दुभौमबुधवाक्पतिकाव्यसौरि स्वर्भानुकेतुदिविषत्परिषत्प्रधानाः त्वद्दासदास च रमावधिदासदासाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् त्वत्पादधूलिभरितस्फुरितोत्तमाङ्गाः स्वर्गापवर्गनिरपेक्षनिजान्तरङ्गाः कल्पागमाकलनयाकुलतान् लभन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् त्वद्गोपुराग्रशिखराणि निरीक्षमाणाः स्वर्गापवर्गपदवीम् परमाम् श्रयन्तः मर्त्या मनुष्यभुवने मतिमाश्रयन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् श्रीभूमिनायकदयादिगुणामृताब्धे देवादिदेव जगदेकशरण्यमूर्ते श्रीमन्ननन्दगरुडादिभिरर्चिताङ्ग्रे श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् श्रीपद्मनाभपुरुषोत्तमवासुदेव वैकुण्ठमाधव जनार्दन चक्रपाणे श्रीवत्सजन्न शरणागत पारिजात श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् कन्दर्पदर्पहर सुन्दर दिव्यमूर्ते कान्दाकुजाम्बुरः कुड्मललोलदृष्टे कल्याण निर्मल गुणाकर दिव्यकीर्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् मीनाकृते कमठगोल नृसिंहवर्ण्यन् स्वामिन् परश्वतपोधन रामचन्द्र शेषांश रामयदुनन्दन कल्किरूप श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् हेलालवङ्कघनसार सुगन्धतीर्थम् दिव्यम् वियत्सरिति हेमघटेषु पूर्णम् धृत्वा व्यवैदिकशिखामणय प्रकृष्टाः तिष्ठन्ति वेङ्कटपते तव सुप्रभातम् भास्वानुदेति विगजानि सरोरुहाणि सम्पूरयन्ति निनदे ककुभो विहङ्गाः श्रीवैष्णवाः सततमर्थितमङ्गलास्ते दामाश्रयन्ति तव वेङ्कटसुप्रभातम् ब्रह्मादयः सुरवराः समहर्षयन्ते सन्तः सनन्तनमुखास्त्वधयोगिवर्याः धामान्तिके तव हि मङ्गलवस्तु हस्ताः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् लक्ष्मीनिवासिनिरवद्य गुणैकसिन्धो संसारसागरसमुत्तरणैकसेतो वेदान्तवेद्य निज वैभव भक्तभोग्य श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम् ये मानवा प्रतिदिनं पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजाम् प्रज्ञां परार्धसुलभां परमां प्रसूते कमलाकुचचूचुककुङ्कुमतो नियतारुणितादुलनीलतनो कमलायतलोचनलोकपते विजयी भव वेङ्कटशैलपते स चतुर्मुख षण्मुख पञ्चमुख प्रमुखा किल दैवतमौलिमने शरणागत वत्सल सारनिधे परिपालय मां वृषशैलपते अतिवेलतया तव दुर्वृषहैरनुवेलकृतैरपराधसतैः भरितं त्वरितं वृषशैलपते परया कृपया परिपाहि हरे अधिवेङ्कटशैलमुदारमते जनताभिमतादिकदा नरतात् परदेवतया गदितान्निगमै कमलादयितान्न परं कलये कलवेणुरवावशगोपवधूशतकोटिवृता स्मरकोटिसमात् प्रतिवल्लविकाभिमतात् सुगदात् वसुदेवसुतान्न परं कलये अभिराम गुणाकरदासरते जगदेकधनुद्धर धीरमते रघुनायक राम रमेश विभो वरदो भवदेव दया जलदे अवनीतनया कमनीयकरं रजनीकरचारुमुखाम्बुरुहम् रजनीचरराजतमो मिहिरं महनीयमहं रघुराममये सुमुखं सुहृदं सुलभं सुखदं सुनुजं च सुखाय ममोहरम् अपहाय रघुद्वहमन्यमहं न कथञ्चन जातु भजे विना वेङ्कटेशं ननादो ननाद सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ अहं दोरदस्ते पदाम्भोजयुग्म प्रणामेच्छयागत्य सेवां करोमि सकत्सेवया नित्यसेवा फलं त्वं प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ प्रभो वेङ्कटेश अज्ञानिनां मया दोषान् शेषान् विहितान् हरे क्षमस्वत्वं शेषशैलशिखामणे ईशानां जगतोऽस्य वेङ्कटपतेर्विष्णोः परां प्रेयसीं तत्पक्षस्थलनित्यवासरसिकां कक्षान्त्यसंवर्धिनीं पद्मालङ्कृतपाणिपल्लवयुगां पद्मासनस्थां श्रियम् वात्सल्यादिगुणोज्ज्वलां भगवतीं वन्दे जगन्मातरम् श्रीमन्कृपाजलनिधिं कृत सर्वलोक सर्वज्ञशक्तनतवत्सल सर्वशेषन् स्वामिन् सुशीलशुलभाश्रितपारिजात श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये आनो पुरार्पित सुजाति सुगन्धि पुष्प सौरभ्यसौर मकरौ समसन्निवेशौ सौम्यौ सदानुभवनेऽपि नवानुभाव्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये सद्यो विकासि समुदित्वरसान्द्ररागसौरभ्यनिर्भर सरोरुह सम्यवार्ताम् सम्यक्षु साहसपदेषु विलेखयन्तौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये रेखामयध्वजसुधाकलसातपत्रवज्रां कुशाम्बुर्हकल्पकशङ्खचक्रैः भव्यैरलङ्कृततलौ परतत्त्वचिह्नैः श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये ताम्रोदरद्युतिपराजितपद्मरागौ बाह्यैर्महोभिरभिभूतमहेन्द्रनीलौ उद्यन्नखां सुभिरुदस्तशशाङ्कभासौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये सप्रेमभीतिकमलाकरपल्लवाभ्यां संवाहनेऽपि सपतिक्लममादधानौ कान्तावाङ्मनसगोचरसौ कुमार्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीमहेतदनुरूपनिजानुभावनीलादिव्यमैषेकरपल्लवानाम् आरुण्यसङ्क्रमणतर्किलसान्द्ररागौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये नित्यानमद्विधिशिवादिकिरीटकोटिप्रच्युप्तदीप्तनवरत्न महाप्ररोहैः नीराजना विधिमुदारमुपादधानौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये विष्णोः पदे परमयुक्तिदितप्रशंसौ यौ मध्व उत्सयति भोग्यतयाप्यपात्तौ भूयस्ततेति तव पाणितलप्रतिष्ठौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव यौ दर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणं व्रजेते भूयोऽपि मह्यमिहतौ करदर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये मन्मोर्ध्निकालीयफणे विकटाटवेषु श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनाम् चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये अम्लानहृष्यदवनेतलकेर्णपुष्पौ श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखराभरणायमाणौ आनन्दिताखिलमनोनयनौ तवैतौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये प्रायः प्रपन्नजनता प्रथमावगाह्यौ मातुस्तनाविव शिशोरमृतायमाणौ प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये सत्त्वोत्तरैः सततसेव्यपदाम्बुजेन संसारतारकदयार्द्रदृगञ्जलेन सौम्योपयन्द्रमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीशश्रिया घटिकया त्वदुपाय भावे प्राप्ये त्वयि स्वयमुपेयतया स्फुरन्त्य नित्याश्रिताय निरवद्य गुणाय तुभ्यम् स्याङ्किङ्करो वृषगिरीश न जातु मह्यम् श्रियकान्ताय कल्याणनिधये निधयेऽर्थिनाम् श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् श्रियः कान्ताय कल्याणनिधये निधयेऽर्थिनाम् श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् लक्ष्मी सविभ्रमालोकशुभ्रो विभ्रमचक्षुषे चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशृङ्गाग्रमङ्गलाभरणाङ्ग्रये मङ्गलानान्निवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् सर्वावयव सौन्दर्य सम्पदा सर्वचेतसाम् सदा सम्मोहनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् नित्याय निरवध्याय सत्यानन्दचितात्मने सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् स्वतः सर्वविदे सर्वशक्तये सर्वशेषिने सुलभाय सुशीलाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् परस्मै ब्रह्मणे पूर्णकामाय परमात्मने प्रयुञ्ज परतत्त्वाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् अहकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम् अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसां शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना कृपया दृशसे श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् दयामृततरङ्गिन्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वम् वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनाम् सुषमावहमूर्तये सर्वार्त्यशमनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् श्रीवैकुण्ठविरक्ताय स्वामि पुष्करणीतटे रमया रममाणाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् श्रीमत्सुन्दरजामातृमुनिमानसवासिने सर्वलोकनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्
मङ्गलाचार्य शासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम् गोविन्द 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 रेडी ना
परमं पदगुं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयः दिवेव चक्षुराततं तद्व्यप्रासो विपण्यवो जागृवागुं सस्यमिन्दते विष्णोर्यत्परमं पदं पर्याप्यानिधये निधयेर्तिनां श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् गोविंद गोविंद
अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक गोविंद गोविंद आदि मध्यांतरहित गोविंद गोविंद लक्ष्मी रमण गोविंद गोविंद Dear devotees, as part of Srinivasa Kalyanam, we have just completed Suprabhata Seva. Now, Archaka Swamis, they are going to organize Tomala Seva. They are going to organize Tomala Seva. Nadaswaram, if we have a live music, okay, otherwise, sir, Mangala Vaidhyam and Gatti Medam. Keep Gatti Medam ready and Mangala Vaidhyam. First you can start with Mangala Vaidhyam when we are doing the Tomala Seva. Yeah. And the devotees who have given your names or you want to join the Tomala Seva officially registered, please come forward. Yeah, check with the volunteers whether your name is registered for Tomala Seva. On small request, ladies particularly, when you are doing any pujas, kalyanams, we have to do jada. Tamil enna solluvaanga adi nalla pinniti and your hair need to be tied up. You should not leave the hair openly like that. Thank you very much for understanding. It's my duty to tell you and it's up to you to follow or not.
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै मेलमा वहे ओम शांति 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 तेरशा
सर्वं यद्भूतं यस्य भव्यं उतामृतत्वस्येशानः यथन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतोज्जायागुश्च पूरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोर्ध्वपुरे भवात्मनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामतो शासनानस्य नेऽभि विराडजायत विराजो अधिपूरुषः
सजातो अस्य विश्वः पश्चाद्भूमिमतो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमदन्वद वसन्तो अस्यासीराज्यम् ग्रीष्मयुद्धशरद्धरिः सप्तास्यासन् परिदयः त्रिसप्तसमिधकृताः देवायज्ञं दन्वानाः अबद्धनपरशं वशम् तं यज्ञं परिति प्रोक्षन्
पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषिश्चये गोविंद 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 ఏడుకొండలవాడ వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద
परमं पदगुं सदा पश्यन्ति शूरयः दिवेव चक्षुराननं त्वज्जिप्रासो विभञ्जमोजाद्रमागं तच्च विन्दते विष्णोर्यः परमं पदम् गोविन्द गोविन्द
गोविंद 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 Archaka Swamis just now they have completed the Tomala Seva. Now they are going to start with Swamivari Archana Aradhana Astottara Puja. Govinda Govinda. భక్తులు స్వామివారికి పుష్పమాలికలు తోమాల సేవకు వచ్చి సమర్పించారు. హరి ఓం. వెంకటాద్రి silence please, all of you. Don't walk around particularly in front of the Swamiji here when the Kalyanam is happening. Venkatadri samamsthanam brahmande nasti kinchana Venkatesa samodevo na bhuto na bhavishyati. There is no auspicious place that is equal to Venkatachalapati Sthanam, that is Venkatadri. There is no God or Shakti or power that equates to Venkatachalapati himself in Kali Yuga. For every Yuga, there is a significance for one Shakti, one Swarupa. We all know that Dasavatara. Of course, Sri Venkatachalapati may not be in the part of those Dasavataras. However, this Venkatachalapati or Venkateshwara Swami is very, very significant and auspicious and powerful Shakti Swarupa in Kali Yuga. In Vishnu Avataras, if we can name, for every Yuga, there is a significance, one Swarupa, one Rupa. We have got 4 Yugas: Kruta, Treta Yuga, Dwapara and Kali Yuga. Kruta Yuge Narsimha, Treta Yuge Ramachandra Prabhu, Dwapare Krishna Paramatma, Kalau Venkatanayaka. So in Kali Kalam, Venkateswara Swami. So now Acharya Varyas, they are going to start with the Shodashopachara Thiru Aradhana. Now let us understand what is the meaning of the Venkateshwara Shabdam. Vem iti Amruta Bijam. Kata iti Aishwarya Bijam. This is taken from Varaha Purana. The Vem is Amruta Bijam. So when we all go to Tirupati or every day we do Swamivari Archana or whatever the puja what we do, we all need the blessings of Paramatma. That Paramatma, you can say Krishna, Vishnu, Damodara, Sahasranamas. You just now chanted few minutes back Vishnu Sahasranama. Sahasra means not just 1000, Ananta Namas. So any Nama you take and you offer your prayers to Swami, Swami is there to bless you. So what is that blessing? That is the Amruta. So when actually Sura Asura Yuddham Jariginappudu in Kruta Yuga, when the Amrutam came up, so who has taken that Amrutam? So Amrutam has been swallowed by the Devatas. Parameshwara has ordered Maharshis to distribute that Amruta. Whoever has taken the Amruta, they have got a responsibility. That's the thing, isn't it? Whenever you get some power, even in our office, also corporate world or at home, you have to execute that power with sense of responsibility. That is why Devatas also, they will act with responsibly. What is their responsibility? They have to, whatever the Amrutamainatvanti, Divyamainatvanti, that Shakti, when they have, so whenever they are looking at their devotees, they have to pass that Amrutamainatvanti, Divyamainatvanti Shakti. So in Venkateshwara Swami's Archana or visiting Tirumala or any Kshetram or any temple, wherever you go, or at your home. So the Venkateshwara, whenever you say Venkata Nama, that Amruta Tulyamainatvanti, the power will pour on you by the Vishnu Shakti. Then what you get out of that Kata, Aishwarya. What Aishwaryas we need? Anybody volunteers? What kind of Aishwaryam you need in Kali Yuga? What you need in Kali Yuga? Happiness, Arogyam. Yeah, sleep peacefully. Yeah. Thank you. I thought somebody is going to say that I invested in Tesla, it has to go up. I invested in cryptocurrency, that should go up. Okay. I had a bungalow in California. Unfortunately, fire accident happened and it has to come back, the value. So then I'm going to buy in Dubai some property. So glad. Okay. So that's what is a peace, happiness. Okay. So the Garbhalaya in Tirumala, what they call that the Kshetram, the Garbhalaya, what they call that particular the shrine, Ananda Nilaya. That's a happiness. You told the happiness, yeah. So that is a happiness. What is that Anandam? Satchitananda, or just let's examine the word Ananda. What is the Ananda that you will get it? The Ananda you will get it. Morning I saw one lady, she was singing like Seranu Venkatachalapate. That's what you will get the Ananda. When you say Seranu Venkatachalapate, you surrender yourself to Paramatma. So that is where the Paramatma will bless you. Then only you will get the Ananda. If you go to Tirumala and the moment you start seeing the Paramatma, and if you start chanting the laundry list that I have got, oh my son need to get 11th place, he has to get some top university, Cambridge, then I need to get a promotion, or my business need to go up. Then if you start giving this kind of a laundry list, then Paramatma, yes, he will listen to that. Then he will give you whatever you are supposed to get, or whatever you deserve it. Okay. So if somebody says, oh, you do whatever you want, you come to my temple, or take my darshan, everything will go away. Don't believe them, first of all. Okay. So that's all, Vishnu Maya. God knows what we are doing. But he will bless the people, the devotees, who surrender themselves without any materialistic. Of course, the materialist automatically he will give. It is his duty. Okay. Once, the mother carrying the baby for 9 months, after the baby came out, don't you think mother will feed the baby? Obviously, the Paramatma has given a birth for us. Jantunam Narajanma Durlabham. Okay. Unless you have done some divine things in your Purva Janmas, you don't get even the Manava Janma. So you got the Manava Janma in Kali Yuga. God has given that kind of a Janma. Then automatically he will bless you. But all you need to do is surrender yourself. Okay. So that is what. So when you enter the Ananda Nilayam, or when you are thinking about the Ananda Nilaya, start surrendering yourself. So that is why even in the Sankalpam, just before the Abhishekam, Snapanam, Tirumanjanam, you all chanted these words. Dharmartha kamya moksha chaturvida pala purushartha siddhyartam manovancha abhishta siddhyartam bhakti jnana vairagya satsankalpa satkarya shubha pala avapyartam Adhyatmika Adi Bhautika Adi Daivika Kamyartham. So these are the words you chanted. So that is what is the dharma. You need to understand why I am doing this kind of a puja, why this is so important, why Venkatachalapati is Kuladaivam for us. So you need to understand the dharma, and understanding the dharma starts from your parents, your grandparents at home, then the gurus and acharyas, participating this kind of satkaryas. So you will understand what is the dharma. So the devotee who is following the dharma and have the bhakti, that is the dharma plus bhakti. If the devotee is following a dharmic way, living in a dharmic life, following the Vedic principles, Veda, Purana, Itihasa, that kind of principles are guidelines given by our acharyas, rishis and all, God or our Venkateswara Swami will pick up those bhaktagresas first. Okay. So that is why we need to adopt that kind of Vedic dharmic way of living and surrendering ourselves to Paramatma. So that is what is a Venkata and Amrita Tattvam, and Kata means the Aishwaryam. The ultimate Aishwaryam, what you get, first I told you Dharma, Artha, Kama. The ultimate Aishwaryam is Mukti. Okay? So after Kama is Mukti. So in between, just think about our rishis. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Between Moksha and Dharma, they locked Artha, Kama. You need to understand the meaning of that. Why they locked in between. Why they didn't say Artha, Kama, Dharma, Moksha. Why it is Dharma, Artha, Kamya, Moksha. So the ultimate Aishwaryam we all need is Moksha. Even in Sanatana Dharma, If you refer to Garuda Purana or any other Purana, like any other faith groups, other religions, we also have heaven, hell, all these things. If you do all the good deeds, you will go to heaven, enjoy your time peacefully. Then you will have some allowance. You do 10 good things, one day you will go to heaven and have fun there. If you do 10 bad things, one day you go to hell, take the pain. But even for that also, after 1 day or 2 days in the heaven, you need to come back to your gati. Your soul need to travel until it will reach the destination. What is the destination? Is a mukti. So among all faith groups, the Hindu Sanatana Dharma, it is the only dharma which is giving the third path, that is a mukti. Apart from the hell and heaven, the third one, that is a Jivan Mukti. Okay, so for that is the ultimate Aishwaryam. That is what we need to pray, Parameshwara or Paramatma, Venkateshwara, whenever you go, bless me with the dharma and the mukti. In between, Ardhakama is there, you take care of it. Ardha is the economic side of your life. Kamya means spending that money that you have earned, or the resources that you procured through your hard work, following the dharmic principles, whatever, whether you do vyavasayam, vyaparam, business, farming, whatever you do, or job, whatever you do it in a dharmic way and follow the rules. Then Ardhakama, earn all your resources in a right way, right manner. Then spend it properly. What is the dharma? Dharma may vary country to country, place to place, time to time. If I go to Germany, if they say income tax is 50%, you pay. That is the dharma there. If you come to UK, 45%, you have to pay that. If you go to India, 30%, you have to pay that. So that is what is the dharma about. Follow the dharma, expect mukti from Swami. In between, Ardhakama, leave it to him, he will take care of you. That is why we have to do this kind of Utsavams, this kind of prayers to Venkateswara Swami to get that kind of a Aishwaryam, the ultimate Aishwaryam of Mukti. Hari Om. Now, Swamijis, they have completed the Archana. They are doing the Nevedya Seva. After that, they will do the Mangala Harati in a minute. There is one more meaning for Venkata. How many of you know Tharigonda Venkamamba? Tharigonda Venkamamba is a sincere devotee. As I said, bhakti with dharma. Because of the dharma and the bhakti, of course, automatically God, Venkateshwara, will bless such kind of devotees with jnana. So she is a bhakti, jnana, vairagya, sampada unnatvanti mahabhakturalu Tharigonda Venkamamba. In her Venkatachala Mahachyam, she says, Venkata means way, whatever the sins that we do in our life, knowingly, unknowingly. If you do it knowingly, the punishment is more. If you do it unknowingly, yes, God knows. If you are walking, there might be some small insects here and there, you might be hurting them. So those things, there is a prayachittam. Okay? If you say Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnu 3 times, Govinda, 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 he will listen to that. But if you do knowingly, with all the jealous, competitiveness, healthy competitiveness is fine. But don't be jealous, rude or to others. So if you do knowingly certain mistakes or sins, so that is called the veil. Okay, the knowingly, unknowingly, whatever the sins that we commit. Kata means somebody who can take out those sins from you. So obviously, when you remove whatever the avidya or whatever the bad things out of you, it's a kind of a surgical treatment, isn't it? Doctors will do. They will cut the bad part of your body, then automatically the red cells will work and the healthy body will grow. So that is what is a kata about. Kata is the Paramatma, the energy who can absorb that kind of bad energy from you and refilling your energy with the good and the energizing your body with a new battery. That is the kata. So by saying the word Venkata, we are surrendering ourselves to get rid of all our sins and lead our life in a Satya Marga or true path of a dharmic life. That is another meaning of Venkata. Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. Now in few seconds, they are going to do Mangala Harati. So we need a couple of volunteers. One should stay there and one this side. Whenever we need to off this curtain, somebody need to help, no, gently. Yeah. 2 volunteers. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Govinda! Govinda!
ఓం అంతవేధ్యాయ మేఘశ్యామలమూర్తయే పుంసాం మోహనరూపాయ పుణ్యశ్లోకాయ మంగళం శ్రియకాంతాయ కళ్యాణనిధయే నిధయేర్తినాం శ్రీవేంకటనివాసాయ శ్రీనివాసాయ మంగళం గోవింద
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 గోవింద శ్రీమద్ రమారమణ గోవింద. Whenever Archaka Swamis say Govinda or Mangalharati, whenever you are doing, particularly for Venkateswara Swami, you have to do Namaskaram like this. Ashtotra Puja.
మాధవాయ నమః ఓం గోవిందాయ నమః ఓం విష్ణవే నమః ఓం మధుసూదనాయ నమః ఓం త్రివిక్రమాయ నమః ఓం వామనాయ నమః ఓం శ్రీధరాయ నమః ఓం పద్మనాభాయ నమః ఓం దామోదరాయ నమః ఓం సంకర్షణాయ నమః ఓం వాసుదేవాయ నమః ఓం ప్రద్యుమ్నాయ నమః
ఓం అనిరుద్ధాయ నమః ఓం పురుషోత్తమాయ నమః ఓం అదోక్షజాయ నమః ఓం నారసింహాయ నమః ఓం అచ్యుతాయ నమః ఓం జనార్దనాయ నమః ఓం ఉపేంద్రాయ నమః ఓం హరే నమః శ్రీకృష్ణాయ నమః కృష్ణ కృష్ణ వాసుదేవ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః.
శ్రీ వెంకటేశాయ నమః.
విష్ణవే నమః ఓం సంజనగిరీశాయ నమః ఓం వృషాద్రిపదయే నమః ఓం మేరుపుత్తగిరీశాయ నమః ఓం సరస్తాంగ్రితరిషియే నమః ఓం కుమారాకల్పసేవ్యాయ నమః ఓం వజ్రదగ్విషయాయ నమః ఓం స్వర్చలాచైతన్యాః ప్రధాత్రే నమః ఓం రామాయై నమః ఓం పద్మనాభాయ నమః ఓం సదా వాయుస్తుతాయ నమః ఓం తచ్చవైకుంఠలోకాయ నమః ఓం గిరికుంజవిహారిణే నమః ఓం హరిచందన గోత్రేంద్ర స్వామినే నమః ఓం శంకర